Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Remember this car? Remember these tyres? You probably remember these bumpers, but the bumpers have got nothing to do with it today. It's all about these tyres and these wheels. I thought because they were a larger diameter that they would be very good in this area and hopefully we'll get a much higher top speed. The last time we run the car here with the same tyres and wheels, unfortunately the tyres fell off and went running down the road by themselves. But they're all glued and it's all good, ready to go. So, can we get faster than 91 kilometers an hour today? Fingers crossed, let's get on. Just to be clear, because I didn't say it before, we have the 3S battery in there. It's not the 2S, which is why we're going to aim for higher than 91 kilometers an hour. Car's turned on, controller's turned on. As you can see here, we have 12 satellites. I've got to go to track. No, actually, let's go to read first so you can see what the last figure was, 75. So that was for the last time we did it. So track, start. I just have to be a bit careful because the little child there. Oh, sorry. Failed attempt. Let's try again. Be interesting to see whether we can get faster than 91 with a larger diameter. So what do you think?
90.
90, 90, 90. Stop. Read. 95! Oh, we've got to see if we can get close. 95 just by putting larger diameter wheels on. Right, let's see if we can get a little bit faster, shall we? What do you think?
96.
Oh, 89. All right, let's give it one more go. Ah! So, ladies and gentlemen, it's official. Can larger diameter tyres make your car go faster than 91 kilometers an hour? Yes, it can. Links are in the description below for these tyres if you want to pick some up. Very, very good indeed. I'm very happy with them. So if you want to pick some up for your tarmac driving, get on. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Check out this video here as Colin slowly pans across. I'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye bye.